Welcome back, everyone. I know it has been a while since I have posted a video, but I am back now and let's get into this video. Today we are making smashed avocado sandwich, but with a twist, obviously. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you get notified whenever we post new content. Okay, so we start with our avocado, obviously, and please make sure that you use fresh avocado. I'm gonna scoop it out, and it's easier if you use a spoon. It's just much better than trying to scoop it out with a knife. I like to make sure I get everything out of that shell or the skin, and I'm just gonna lightly smash it, just lightly, not too much. And I am using red onions, which I thinly sliced because I like the flavor of onions, but I don't like eating chunks of onion in my food. And this is the part now where it gets tricky and some people are gonna leave me now. I add sardines, which were saved in a can with vegetable oil in it, so I suggest you buy that one. And I also like to add some of that oil in it just for extra flavor. My sister doesn't like this mixture, but I just love it. I don't know what it is about it, I just love it. Then I'm adding olive oil, but preferably if you have extra virgin, it will be extra virgin olive oil, it will be much better. And salt for taste. And the last element we are adding is lemon to bring everything together and give us that umami taste and that extra lemony kick. So I'm gonna mix it all together, but I'm not gonna smash it because we don't want porridge looking smashed avocado. And that is it. I prefer having this on brown bread, but on this day I did not have brown bread, so I opted for white because it was all I had, but it tasted good still. And I made this on Mother's Day. My mom liked it. She said it was very nice, so that is a yes in my book. So try it out, please try it out and let us know how it tastes in the comment, if you like the sardine added to it or not. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time.